Hey guys, good morning. This box is just in the way. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. I'm Dale. I'm glad you're here. So we are almost done with the rebuild. We are doing a Project 92YJ. We are completely rebuilding the engine. Today we're going to be installing the water pump, the fan, the thermostat housing, some spark plugs. We got a lot to do, but we're almost there. So let's get to it. All right, let's move on to the sensor here, spark plugs, engine mounts, water pump, all that stuff. Before I put this on, I want to clean it up a bit. It's pretty nasty. It's got a bunch of oil and grease and stuff on it. Now, Gunk sent me a bunch of product to test. One of the things they wanted me to test was their degreasing wipes. So let's give that a shot on this right here. And yes, I have companies that contact me. They want me to try out their products. I'm happy to do that, but I'm under no obligation. I can give my honest opinion if it's a product I would use, something I would recommend. If I don't like it, I'm going to say so. So these degreasing wipes from Gunk, I'll be sure to link them in the description below and let you know where you can find them. But apparently these have a like a rough side and a smooth side, like a rough side for scrubbing and a smooth side for, you know, wiping grease off. So let's give it a try, see how it works. It says it's safe for your hands. It's a no rinse wipe. You just clean up whatever grease and you don't need to rinse it or anything. It does have a nice orange smell to it. I think that's the size of one wipe. Looks pretty good. This is the rough side. This is the smooth side. Let's give it a shot. And I also tried it on this spacer plate that was just covered in grease and oil, and this had a really good effect. It worked really well here. So yeah, definitely cuts through the grease really well, got all the oil and gunk off of it. Obviously some of the rust and deposit buildup, it's not going to cut through that, but it certainly cleaned it up nice. I can use this on the rest of the engine as well, so pretty handy. I would use it. Alrighty, let's grab the water pump. Should be in there somewhere. There's our fan and the clutch. Distributor cap, wires, water pump. All right, let's dry fit this guy on here real quick. Goes on like that. If you're replacing your water pump, be sure you get the correct type, because there's some that have a reverse flow where the fins on it, the way it spins here is reversed, and it'll pump the opposite direction, so that'll really mess you up. Be sure you get the correct pump for your engine. So let's go find the gasket. All right. Da-da-da. There we go. All right, let's put this guy on. And this gasket set was given to me by enginetech. I will be sure to include a link to this kit in the description below. All right, got those guys torqued down evenly, so let's put the pulley on here and the fan. You know what? Should have probably done the thermostat first. Make it a little easier to get to, but we can still get to it. This thing is finally starting to look like an engine, huh? Coming along nice, almost at the end. Final stretch here. Here's my old thermostat cover, a little beat up. And the thermostat itself, yeah, I don't think we'll be reusing that guy, because I got a brand new one right here. We'll throw this guy on real quick. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I went to take that thermostat off originally, when I was removing this engine from this, oh, it was just absolutely fused to the head there. Could not come off. I ended up working on that thing for an hour, simply trying to remove a thermostat housing. Just crazy. So, using a little anti-seize this time. Learn as you go along, right? Don't forget to put our thermostat in there, spring side towards the engine. The gasket's a little too small. So that's awesome. We made a lot of good progress on this today. I'm actually gonna go make some lunch right now, edit this video so it can be up tomorrow. So in the meantime, check out my next video right up here. Thanks for watching. All right, Tootsie, let's try this. Yeah, that'll work.